Welcome back, guys, to Crypto For Life channel, and congrats everybody who survived on this drop. I don't think so this drop is end, but I hope so. I hope so. We found the bottom. I hope so. We found the bottom at 20,800. I hope so. And unfortunately, my most Bitcoin negative scenario, what I posted in February 9, it's perfectly played. So here I posted, and market, we have to test 48.51 zone. We tested here 48 and 600, and then capitulate in 3 waves down to 21 and 400. And I mark it, this is 19 and 700 is a previous high. So historically, we never drop lower than the previous high. And I think this cycle will be totally different, and we have all chances drop lower and show all investors that Bitcoin model can be broke. And here, 48, 3 stages down, and we can test. Usually it's a final stage of capitulation. It's minus 0.86 level. It's around 18 and 700. I think yes, we can make a move like this one and capitulate down to this level. In this range, almost all people start thinking we are going to 15K or even 12K. When we bounce it, we go in a sideways, and a lot of people open a short position. And in this range, we can liquidate the Celsius position. You know all this news. If you didn't know, you can double check. So now I don't open any position because it's kind of risky. We can make it squeezed up, squeezed down. So just on a spot, I closed my position and still hold position on EOS with the huge losses now. So here, fear and greed index, 8-point maximum. Here, 8-point, but the maximum what we saw during the last 4 years points on the fear was here, August 22, 2019. What just happened at this date? The problem is we was here in maximum fear, and after this we drop it 38% lower. I don't count, I don't pay attention for this capitulation on COVID dump, but we drop it 38%, signs the maximum fear. So if we are dropped from this current price where we're now 38%, it will be around 14K. If we will see this capitulation like this one, it will be totally insane. I think in this case, people start thinking Bitcoin going to 0. And the interesting moment, if we capitulate to 38, we touch the high of this level in June 2019. We can drop lower than this high, but hold the line of this high. So it will be interesting to see how it goes. We're still walking this channel with a row. Here is a support, resistance, support, and now possible to test a support line. It's around 18,000, then go in a sideways. If capitulate, okay, we capitulate. If not, we can go in a sideways and going out of this channel to new all-time high. New all-time high for Bitcoin in this case, I think will be around here. 85 and 112,000 per Bitcoin, maybe in this range. For Bitcoin, but we have to pay attention for this potential squeeze down 38% if we repeat the history. And before I showed you my last point on ICP, where is everything pretty simple, I would like to show you this Bitcoin rainbow chart, price chart, around here, around May. In November, nobody can expect we can drop so low, and according to this matrix, we can drop to 20K, 20,100 around here. But like you see, squeeze down in with COVID down. So probably we can drop lower. How low? Nobody knows. How low? Nobody knows. So probably we have to hold the line of this previous high. because we never drop lower than the previous high. But we will see how it goes. Maybe this cycle will be totally different. And according to this model, so if it's a bottom 20,000, the top it can be anywhere. So if it's a 2023, the top can be around 3,000. If it's 2024, it's 500,000 per Bitcoin. It's hard to believe we can reach this price. Everything possible in crypto. And for ICP, I think everything pretty simple. Everything pretty simple. You can make a DCA strategy and buying now at $5, and the last stage, the last point, if Bitcoin capitulate to 18,000, my target for ICP can be around $3.33. This is my final stage of ICP. Between 5 and 3, I will accumulate a lot. I truly believe in ICP. A lot of people can talk this is a scam coin, but I think this, maybe it's a scam coin, but it's a so manipulative scam coin. So manipulative scam coin, and you will see how the big players manipulate this coin and push the price higher than 200 and even higher than 400. We will see how it goes, because on RSI will total disbelief, stochastic RSI total disbelief. We will see how it goes. We will see how it goes, but my price target for ICP is still relevant. 400, 570, and last stage is 800. 800 for ICP. So guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, write please and comment what do you think about this capitulation of Bitcoin, where we will find a bottom on Bitcoin, if we will touch 18, we will touch 15, or we just hold the line of 20 and don't break the previous high and model. So guys, thank you for watching. Join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.